What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Nikki here, and in today's video I am going to be going over the dividend paychecks that I got from my $17,000 long-term dividend portfolio, golly, in the month of January. You already know the drill. Let's get it.
Ooh, big bag. You not talking money, you can miss me with the chit chat. I'm not with the rah-rah or the
Alright, y'all, so I got 11 paychecks, and as usual, make sure you stay to the end of the video because I am going to be going over my spreadsheet that tracks my dividends. You can kind of see my progress throughout the year. 2020 was the first full year of my investing, so it'll be kind of cool to see now where we're starting on track from January now compared to where we were in January then. Super cool, super fun, and you guys always really like that spreadsheet, so that will definitely be in the video. But let's go ahead, you guys. Let's dive into the first paycheck. So on January 5th, I got paid 55 cents from Best Buy. Now, you guys, I did an in-depth video about Best Buy, what I thought about it, what I liked about it, why I'm investing in it, and I will go ahead, I will link that down in the first comment below so you can check it out after this video. But let's move on to the next dividend paycheck. And on the 7th of January, I got paid by one of my favorite companies, and that is going to be Pepsi, you guys. Pepsi went ahead, they paid me $4.09. And as always, you guys, I am always reinvesting these dividends. I do not have dividend reinvestment turned on my portfolio just because I am so hands-on that I don't really just want it to go straight back into the company. I would like to decide where those funds are actually going to go. But I mean, if you want to be very hands-off, I highly recommend turning on that auto drip just to make sure you're staying on track with reinvesting those dividends. And then on the 15th of January, your girl got 3 paychecks. Some sweet ass passive income, if you ask me. From Medtronic for $1.74, Realty Income, my favorite monthly paying real estate REIT, for 94 cents, a whopping 94 cents. And then Stag Industrial, one of my other favorite REITs, for $1.20. And then unfortunately I had to wait about 5 days for the next paycheck, but Cisco came through at $3.60. The next day, Prospect Capital went ahead and paid me a whopping amount of 6 cents. And you guys, I do have Prospect Capital and Orchid Island Capital. Every time I say that, I check myself twice. And I think there's like maybe one more, or it might just be those two, I don't know. But they're free stocks that I got from Robinhood when I initially opened my portfolio and through referral codes. And you guys, also, if you know me, you know that I have about, I think like 6 different accounts. So I have M1 Finance with my Roth IRA. I have Robinhood that I do just growth companies and some like long-term option contract trading. I have TD Ameritrade, I do daily option contract trading in the morning. I have an old ass thing called computer share. I don't know. I have 7 shares of Disney in there that my grandparents got me when I was like born. I have my E-Trade account, which is my baby, my long-term dividend portfolio. And then I just opened an account with Webull, which I do have an affiliate link. I am an affiliate with Webull, so I will go ahead and put that down in the description box below because they're running a deal right now. If you sign up, you get 2 free stocks, and then if you put $100 in, you get 2 more free stocks. So I mean, it's just a way to make some free money if you ask me, no matter what they give you, but you could get some good shit. So go ahead, check it out, open an account down there. I highly recommend having multiple accounts so you can kind of stay focused on each account's goal. Like in my E-Trade account, this account, I'm not trading, I'm not swinging, I'm doing nothing but buying and holding. Robinhood, I know I'm investing in about a 3 to 5 year span for growth companies. And then TD Ameritrade, I know for sure I'm going to be daily trading that account. So I don't get, you know, what's the word? Tempted to sell things, use that money, buy something else. It's just a hot ass mess. And for me personally, in my OCD, I like to keep things organized. That's just the way I function. So if you want to get into maybe some trading stuff, maybe a growth portfolio, highly recommend opening an account with Webull. But like I was saying, I have about 2 or 3 stocks in my portfolio that pay me just pennies every month or every 3 months because they were free, and I just don't sell them because you never know, it could boom up or just keep giving me a few pennies a month, and I will take that happily. But now back to the paychecks. On January 27th, I got paid by Comcast for $1.84, and then ORC, Orchid Island Capital, for 7 cents. And then y'all, because I do film this a few days before the month ends usually, I don't have all my payments, so I am waiting on 2 more paychecks to come in. You can go ahead, you can see that right here. I'm waiting on NRZ for $5, and I'm also waiting for JPM for $3.60. Now y'all, for my total, I'm gonna go ahead and swing you over to the spreadsheet so we can kind of go through that together and I can show you what's up. I'll meet you over there. Alright guys, hopefully this is not horrendous and the light isn't horrible. horrible. But let's go ahead, let's dive into the spreadsheet here. You can see here the whole 2020 year. Check out my January of 2020 was $5.30. This year in January 2021, I made $22.69. So that to me, I'm just going in the correct direction. I can see here clearly that what is happening is working. I'm making more money, and you already know down here, I love to see this little chart, bar graph thingamajiggy. But the last time that these companies paid me was October. So you can see here this bar graph, right? So October's here, then before that was July, before that was April, and then January. So you can see that these bars relative to each of those months have been growing, which tells me, if I look at October here, the last time these companies paid me was $17.86. I love it. That's almost about $4 to $5 increase from the last time these companies paid me, and over time that adds the hell up. And just to show you guys, if I go to my summary, you can see here that as of right now, with the way things are going, and the market has been nutty lately, I have an annual income, dividend income of about $436. So my dividend yield percent is 2.88. That is a little bit low, but it's okay. I'll just keep adding to better dividend paying companies. But the yield on cost is 3.24. You can see my total gains, loss, the growth I've had thus far, and I'm pretty happy with the way that my portfolio is performing and continues to perform. And here is a snapshot of all of my holdings in my portfolio and what percent of my portfolio they do make up. So this kind of helps me look and see, okay, I need to add a little bit more here, or okay, this one's a little bit overweighted, I'm not sure I like that, and then kind of put that on the back burner for a little while just to make sure that I'm balanced and comfortable with what's going on. But this is the most important one to me, since this is what that portfolio is all about. I want these dividends to be popping, to be increasing, so we can just get that passive income we so badly desire. And I'm happy with what's going on here. You guys, I want to know, what did you make this month? Is it better than it was the last time these companies paid you? Where are you relative to if you were investing in 2020, your January month in 2020 versus your 2021 January dividend income? Because that's just what keeps me going. Seeing that increase makes me feel like, hey, I'm doing something right. It's good. We're growing. We're on. We're popping. You guys already know my goals for 2021. And if you do not, go ahead, click this video right here, because I'm going to talk to you about my goals for my portfolio. And you guys, you already know, if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing by hitting the NB in the bottom corner or the red subscribe button. Join the crew. Join the journey. We would love to have you. I post 2 videos a week on this channel, all about stocks, money, investing, finance, income, just making money and having a good ass time. And if you guys appreciate the video and you want to help the channel out, please smash the thumbs up button. You already know what it does. And like always, guys, if you are this far, you know I love you. You are the real MVP. Come here. Enjoy the journey, whatever your journey is. Always remember to do it, set your hearts on fire, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.